welcome back to my channel. I hope your day has been positive and productive thus far. But today I'm coming to you because it is that time for that Animal Print Decor Challenge. Now this Animal Print Decor Challenge is hosted by the lovely Miss Antoinette. I'm dropping her channel link down in my description box along with the playlist link. Make sure you go check out her video for this Animal Print Decor Challenge as well, and make sure you check out all of the participants. All right, now we asked you to style a coffee table or do a tablescape, a fireplace, a bookshelf, a nook, just any space that you chose to display your animal print decor, or just give it an animal print theme. That's it. The hashtag for this challenge was "It's a Jungle in Here." All right, without further ado, let you see what I created for this Animal Print Decor Challenge. Stay tuned at the end because I'm going to come back and explain my "It's a Jungle in Here." Alright everyone, I started my table by layering my table with that white tablecloth, followed by my leopard print charger, my white plate, my leopard print salad plate, and I actually have the salad plate on top of a black salad plate so it can contrast the black color wafting off of it. I place my knife and fork on the table, and also I have a black wine glass and a white champagne shoe. Now my napkins I pulled out. I actually DIY'd the napkin ring, and the napkin ring actually has a cheetah print to it. All three of my plate settings are the same. The only difference is each charger is slightly different. I favor the center one here more, but I just pulled out the three different styles that I had and placed them on the table. Now my centerpiece, I started with a black runner. You see that on the back, followed by a white runner in the front. I have my sign. It's a jungle in here for that hashtag. Now, I wanted my table to give off a jungle vibe. So what I did was I took and placed my two lighted trees on the table, and I just placed lavender entwined in the tree. I wanted greenery, but I did not want to cut up my greenery to create this look. So I used what I had that I had already cut up. So I just did the same thing for both of the trees. Now on the sides I have that black lantern, and I was looking for my actual leopard tigers. I can't find, but in that tall white lantern I vase, my white vase, and because I was going for the illusion of a jungle, I took some of that green grass from the Dollar Tree and layered it out of the vase. Took some of those same lavender picks that I had pre-cut and used before, stuck them in there to give the illusion of you got this growth coming off the tree. I popped some white in there and a little tad bit of green. And I also have a rabbit tucked in there because this is the jungle. He is hiding out from the sheep to make sure they don't get him. Alright everyone, this is mine. It's a jungle in here. Tablescape. Leave me a comment down in the comment section if you think that I did make this tablescape here give off the vibes of being in the jungle. I hope you enjoyed what I created for this Animal Print Decor channel. Make sure you go check out that host video, which is Ant's Place. Hit that playlist link and check out what the other fabulous creators have created for this amazing collaboration. Thank you, Miss Antoinette, for reaching out to me and allowing me to co-host this wonderful challenge with you. All right, everyone. To my family members that's been rocking with me for a while, I want to thank you for staying a part of that Sparklers team. And to my newbies, thank you for coming aboard. All right. Now, always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.